In this video, we will install the Kronos Workforce Ready mobile app on an Android device. To do so, select the Play Store. In the search box, enter Kronos Workforce Ready Mobile. This is the app we want to install. Once it's been installed, select Open. You're going to select your region, North America, and the company short name is 6163332. We're going to select Continue. Now you see you've selected the correct application and shortcode. It says Volano Workforce Ready Mobile. If you have your username and password, you can enter it. If you do not have your username, please contact your supervisor and they will provide it for you. Once you have your username, you can select Forgot Password and the system will allow you to create a new password.